Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan. From Uno Hear the Voice, Uno know say the one and only Atafa the Press. Well. Me have two topics we go cover today, my wisdom warriors. Only two, but I don't know how the things that already, because you have this artist boy come out. This artist boy come out what they call a gear gas or gas gear, whatever they want to call him. Me have him to deal with because none of them come out and say they go to university. None of them come out and say they intellectual, my wisdom warriors. But me go teach him something. Me go teach him something. Brother, your intellectualness not working for you. Attention here, look. And you definitely get it. But before me drop into that, my wisdom warriors, hear this. Man accused of putting pesticide in another's water. A man who was charged with attempted murder after he allegedly poured pesticides into another man's water tank was remanded when he appeared in the St. Catherine Parish Court on Friday. He is Devon Reed of Redwood District, St. Catherine. My wisdom warriors, wanna say wagwan from watagwan? Wanna say wagwan from watagwan? Hey, wanna be careful, you know? Yes, man, you see, when the tank wanna have on the house top, and the tank wanna have at the side of the house, listen to me. If I were you, we put it a safe place and make sure that our yard is protected by wisdom warriors, because these are the things people going around and doing. The worst when we don't have enemy. Well, you know, say everybody have enemy. You understand? But majority of the time you have enough people never create enemy. But enemy there, everybody have enemy. Everybody have enemy. You understand? Even Jesus Christ himself did have enemy. So uno must know. But me just tell you no. Yeah? Uno have a water tank. Listen. Uno be aware of people, because these are the things people doing. Putting pesticide in water tank. Uno know say pesticide is a dangerous thing. Uno know say pesticide is a dangerous thing. It can kill, put people in a coma. It can do many more things. Make you dizzy and all them things there. Uno didn't know that. But when you say people are go so far and put pesticide in a them brothers and sisters tank, them people you want to kill. Them people you are wicked. Yes, man. And this a man if you go to prison and come back out. Because from him, I put pesticide in a somebody tank. This a man if you go down today. Him not for Sibat Road. How can you do something like that? This is why me bring this across, you know. I say me have a show now make you know what go on. So everybody, we have a black tank, on a drum, on whatever one want to call it, with water. Be aware of people, because see a man face, you don't know a man heart. Wanna hear me, my wisdom warriors? Remember, so we're full of wisdom around here, you know. Yes, man, we're full of wisdom around here. So, you must know, say, you have to just protect your yard. Protect your things, them. Because people is evil. The heart of mankind is evil. And the more it'll get worse. If you don't notice, the more it'll get worse. And right now, upon the land, you see how people I kill people, how people are fight against their brothers and sisters. Nothing no put in place. Nothing no put in place. No crime plan, nothing. So we have to come together and unite. We have to come together, my brothers and sisters, and unite. You understand? So, me just want to know wisdom warriors to know, say, man throw pesticide in a people tank. So I want to be careful. I want to be aware of these things. All right? That. But you tell me how you feel about it. I want to think about it. Anyway, now, I want to touch on the artist boy when he Gear Gas, because me see you have Andrew Holness Peace Mouth radio station. I run with him. Me telling you something. You see this boy now? You see this boy, this artist boy? Attention him a look, you know. Attention him a look, my wisdom warriors. Because why would you come out and tell Mark Golding, so if you come and explain to the people them what is his citizenship? Eh? Idiot. Idiot artist boy. You know yourself. Eh? You claim say you got university. You really a dunce bat, you know. You really a dunce bat. Una make a fool out of yourself. Una make a fool out of yourself. Mark Golding was born in Jamaica. Mark Golding birth certificate is a Jamaican birth certificate. Everybody know that. From you born in Jamaica. And you go, listen, your mother born your mother born in a one different country, your father born in a different country. Yeah? But the pitney born a Jamaica. The pitney is a Jamaican. The pitney is a Jamaican. So if Mark Golding even have a citizenship, Mark Golding is a Jamaican. This, when I say so, I learn, when I get caught up in this matrix. When I get caught up in this matrix. The whole want get caught up. Uno feel such a because uno American citizen or uno is a British citizen. That make uno American. That make uno British. No. That make them trick away. We are not a British. We are not an American citizen. We are not a Canadian citizen. It's all in the mind. We are a Jamaican citizen. Uno forget about the crap about paper and them sitting there. You're born. You're born a Jamaica. You are a Jamaican. Do anything in a damn country. Do anything in a damn country. Which part them are going to say now? What them are going to say? Oh, because they're citizen, you're going to stay? Do anything in a damn country where them not like and see if they not kick out your backside and send you right back. Whether you have citizenship or not. Because they can take back your citizenship, you know. Let me teach you now. Let me teach you now. No for no dunce bat or so no go university. You never know that. You never know that say America, Britain, can get up at any time and take back their citizenship if they want. You didn't know that? So wait there. How can a man come give you something up on paper and you believe in yourself? Say you American. When you never born a rotted old America. You say no for you dopey, but that's why I this no more while. Because you come out and speak is pokey. My wisdom warriors, don't be fool. Do not be fool when you hear them come out and speak is pokey. So we see when they talk nice, it's so nice. When I listen to it, you know, you say, wow, she's so nicey, him so nicey. It's nice to listen to. But what the words that they are using, what they are saying, does it even make sense? Okay, I want to listen. I want to listen, my wisdom warriors. So don't be tricked and be fooled by them dopey batia. Because there's no way you can born in our country. And then you left go to our next country and then get citizenship and you think say you're British or you think say you're American or you think say you're Canadian. No, you're not. It's all in your mind. You're a Jamaican. Mark Golding have a Jamaican birth certificate. And that's why he's born and grow. So he's a Jamaican. So when I talk about, you know, say a dirty stinking mouth, Everall Warmington start all this rubbish. Let me show you something. Take in this.
Does Mark Golding have a Jamaican passport?
My wisdom warriors. So when you hear Everall Warmington, she, when you hear dirty mouth, when you hear him, I can't ask the question, if Mark Golding have a Jamaican passport. Look, when you look for Mark Golding, when you see a Jamaican passport, the man have in his hand other day when the man go America. When you see that? When you see, yeah, you know say, a God make him do that little clip here. Yes, man, a God make Mark Golding do these clips for sure. That's why I have it right now. Look what in a Mark Golding hand. That is a Jamaican passport. So the question to you, Everall Warmington, and to the rest of criminal them, yeah? Mark Golding have a Jamaican passport, if you never know. If you never know. So as me I say now, you have Andrew Holness radio mouthpiece. Yeah? Radio mouthpiece come out. And I come broadcast this artist boy. You see this artist boy a long time in my work for attention. You know how long in my work? You know how much me see 1 and 2 YouTube I put him up every day. Every day. Look like me never say something about my whole back. But anyway, me see them put him up. Long time them I put him up, you know. Long time them a put him up because this a boy really want to come out in the newspaper. He really want to make it that way. He want to be relevant to society. And that. So, and I really, so he might do it for nothing because this a boy claims saying go university. Yeah? And come out and talk like this. I talk about Mark Golding. Let me read out the paper for you. Hear this. So my wisdom warriors, the article say that the one the Giegas is weighing on the issue surrounding PNP President Mark Golding's citizenship. In a post on X and Instagram, that the one that says the opposition leader must declare his status in order for Jamaicans to be in a position to accurately evaluate his stance on the issue of dual citizenship. So guess what now? This year, Andrew Holness, them mouthpiece. No. Go, I post this, I post, you know. I post this and I post on Instagram and tweet on Twitter. And this Andrew for sure, you know. I think I come out and talk. Them here Andrew Holness mouthpiece now decide so them go take down the writing now. Go take down what this man say. If you come put it up. If you use it and say a content. My wisdom warriors, me tell about them fool people here. Me tell about them fool people here. So this a artist boy, you know, come out. I just relevant see him a look. This a boy, I look attention because where must not make no sense. Where must not make no sense. Mark Golding is born in Jamaica. He have a Jamaican birth certificate. He no have a British birth certificate. He have a Jamaican birth certificate. My wisdom warriors, the whole of them are stray away from the real thing. The way I me see. Them Andrew Holness mouthpiece radio station, them come out and I drag Mark Golding. I wish they did a drag Andrew Holness the same way. Talk about the illicit six. Me not say none of you post that. Talk about Andrew Holness not declaring his asset. Me not say none of you talk about that, brother. Andrew Holness are one of the six. None of you talk about that. Andrew Holness break the constitutional law. None of you talk about that with the DPP. Look how much things Andrew Holness do. Andrew Holness acted unlawfully with the constitution. None of you run up and down with that. Andrew Holness a thief people and all over Jamaica. People house burn down. When people house burn down, he promise them, say, I'm going to build them house. When you look at him take away their land, you not talk about that. You not talk about that. You come out and talk about foolishness. You not talk about man fi come explain dual citizenship when the man friggin' born in Jamaica. You not say, oh, you a fool boy. Yeah. All you artists boy, you're a fool. You have to go and you have to lift up because you only want attention. That's all you do, idiot. Attention you look. Nobody no rate you because when you look at you, when you look at young YouTuber, them a start and them play your brother, you strike people them channel. And me attack my wisdom warriors because I have proof. Me can say that. You understand? I've go that the boy that for go, you know. The boy that no rate nobody, you know. The boy that no rate the youth them, you know, in Jamaica, you know. The boy that no rate nobody. You understand? Enough time I see people come out. Also, I see people come out and a YouTuber and I try make it in a life and the same youth there, you know, man. Strike down people channel, you know. The boy there, a good boy, you know. I want to know that, you know. A fool that, a idiot that. Nobody no rate him. Nobody no rate him. He make a fool out of himself all the while. Chatting shit. Chatting shit. So you see where am I looking? Get it now. He finally get it. Andrew Holness radio mouthpiece. Them come out now and post him. So he get where am I look for. He get where am I look for. That's all he do it for himself. Just like Andrew. This a idiot here. Before he stand up. For justice, for truth and rights for the Jamaican people. This a idiot here run behind Andrew. Andrew will sign some more agreement for legalize transgender. Hey boy, I go away if you go away, you know. You know, say I go away if you go away, boy. Nobody no rate your boy. Nobody no rate you, nobody no like your boy. I lift if you lift up. We no rate your boat here. Because when the youth them a try to make a living, brother, you strike down the youth them channel. You understand? You strike the youth them channel. So you're not good youth. You're not good to know get a youth. And anything you do it for yourself. So lift if you lift up, brother. I want to feel like about you. How you feel like about you? Attention him a look. My wisdom warriors are attention that a look. Big attention he is looking. Wanna hear me? Attention, and he finally get it. Because he want up there like the rest. He want up there like the rest. How you say you want to remove the monarchy? You say you want to remove the monarchy and still keep the Privy Council for what? The only person is benefit from Privy Council is Andrew. Everybody know that. Go Google that. Everybody know that. Andrew Wallace a collect how much? $1 million. I hear. Andrew Wallace is the only one benefit from Privy Council. Privy Council is only for rich people. If anything happen, anybody want justice, you have to pay a Privy Council. Poor people cannot afford it, youth. So you not stand up for we youth. You not stand up for my brothers and sisters, youth. I only self when I look out for only rich people. No poor people can bring their case to Privy Council because they not have the millions. They not have it. But they can be able to bring it to the CCJ, to the Caribbean Court of Justice. They can. Why not do that, youth? And that Mark Golden say. Mark Golden say, yes, I want to remove the king. He said that in an annual conference. He said it. Said, I want to remove the king, but I want to remove the Privy Council also and bring it to the CCJ. That's what he said when Mark Golden do wrong. And when Mark Golden now come out and talk about dual citizenship and them something, nothing wrong with that. Because anywhere you go, you feel so under the America, you feel so under the Canada, you feel so under the England, and you have American passport, Canadian passport, British passport, you feel like say you make it in a life. Brother, well, me tell you if you never know that. It is all in our mind because we're all going back to our land. We land our birthplace is Jamaica. So by right, every Jamaican is supposed to can. Every Jamaican is supposed to can come vote. Every Jamaican supposed to can come vote in a them birthplace, a them birthright. Make me teach you now because you boy say you got uni, brother. You don't know nothing. You have to lift up the whole on a fool, boy. Yeah. The whole on a fool. When I say Andrew, I take Jamaican people for idiot, youth. You know say what go on in the country, youth. And you stand up and come defend Andrew, boy. I go if you go in a boy. Nobody no rate you in a boy. I go if you go, you know. And that you love Jamaican people, you know. So you feel like you have American passport, British passport. It's not a true Jamaican in a youth. Because if you did that true Jamaican, you come out and talk like that in a youth. It no matter where you go. It no matter if you have citizenship or not, you still have blouse and skirt Jamaican. And that's how you're born and grow. I want to feel like, hey boy, you feel lift up, because we don't rate you upon yourself. I go where you feel go. Go where you feel go, boy. Yeah. My wisdom warriors, don't tell me what you think. Put an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome and a big up on the nice clean self. One love. Remember to run over to my TikTok and my IG page. Follow me. The link I got there in the comment section. Bless up again. I'm out.